Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Crypto Voyage. Today, we have some exciting news from the crypto and blockchain world. I've gathered this information from CoinDesk.com, a reliable source for all things related to cryptocurrency and blockchain. So let's dive right in. Our first piece of news comes from Cronos Labs, a blockchain network developer. They've announced the start of the recruitment phase for the third cohort of their $100 million accelerator program. The program is focused on early-stage crypto projects and has a unique emphasis on artificial intelligence. Cronos Labs has also brought some big names on board as mentors for this program, including Google Cloud and Amazon Web Services, as well as blockchain security specialists PeckShield and Certic. To align with Korea Blockchain Week, which runs until September 10th, the 12-week program officially kicked off its recruitment on September 4th. Venture capitalists have been showing increased interest in the intersection of AI and crypto, especially following the mainstream success of tools like ChatGPT. So, if you're an early-stage crypto startup focused on AI, this could be a golden opportunity. The next big news comes from Chronicle, the second largest Oracle provider that currently safeguards over $5 billion in assets for MakerDAO. Chronicle has announced that it will be expanding outside of the MakerDAO ecosystem with a new protocol that aims to make oracles available on various networks. This new Chronicle protocol will initially launch on Polygon's Zove and aims to significantly reduce gas fees by an estimated 60%. One of the unique features of this new protocol will be a dashboard that allows users to track the origin of any required data, thereby ensuring on-chain data transparency. Nicholas Kunkel, the founder of Chronicle, highlighted the importance of verifiable oracles at scale and noted that this release positions Chronicle as a challenger in a space that has largely been dominated by a single provider. That's all for today's Crypto News Roundup. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. For more detailed information, you can check out the original articles on CoinDesk.com. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.